In this video, let us talk about the slope of a line. The slope of a line is the method used to measure the steepness of a certain line. But first of all, i-visualize natin siya. Consider the coordinate plane system on the board. Halimbawa, meron tayong isang point dito. Let's call this point 1, okay? Point 1. Tapos sabihin natin na ang coordinates ito ay x1, y1. And then another point right here. This time, let's call this point 2 with coordinates x sub 2, y sub 2. At syempre, merong straight line na magpapas sa dalawang points na yan. Alright, halimbawa, ayan yung straight line. Bale, para makuha natin ang slope niyan, first, kailangan natin kunin yung horizontal and vertical differences ng dalawang points. The horizontal difference between the 2 points is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, kinuha natin yung difference ng x coordinates. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. Tapos, yung vertical distance between the 2 points, makukuha by subtracting the y coordinates. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And the slope of a line has the following general idea or formula, which is the ratio of the rise over run. When we say rise, ito yung change in our y or yung vertical change. Tapos yung run naman, ito yung horizontal change or yung change in x. Tapos itong slope, usually denoted yan by the variable m. So if we have to write the slope formula, slope represented by the variable m is equal to the rise or the change in y, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And then divided by the run, which is the change in horizontal distance. So ito yon, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Again, over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So this is our slope formula. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so this is the slope formula. And sa video na to, wala tayong ibang gagamitin kundi yan. Magsosolve tayo ng slopes ng different lines. Alright, bago tayo mag-proceed sa pagsasagot ng ilang example problems, kailangan din natin i-discuss itong characteristics ng mga slopes. Kapag ang line natin ay going upwards from left to right, ibig sabihin yan, ang slope natin ay positive. Kapag going downwards naman from left to right, ibig sabihin yan, ang slope natin ay negative. Now, what if ang ating straight line ay horizontal? It means the slope is 0. And last, kapag ang line natin ay vertical, it means the slope is undefined. Okay? Mag-proceed tayo sa problems. Problem number 1. Determine the slope of the line passing through the points negative 2, 1, and 3, 5. Of course, first of all, ilagay natin dito yung formula ng slope kasi susundan natin yan. Tapos, mag-a-assign tayo ng points 1 and 2. So, meron tayong dalawang points dito. Ito, saka ito. Kayo nang bahala kung saan dyan ang point 1 at point 2. Kung ito ang gusto nyo gawing point 1, okay lang. At okay lang din kung ito yung gusto nyo gawing point 1. It's up to you. Ang kailangan lang natin ay be consistent. Kasi kung ano yung point 1 mo, ayun yung x1, y1 mo. Kung ano yung point 2, ayun yung x2, y2. So halimbawa, ito yung point 1 natin. Okay? So tatawagin natin itong x1 tapos y1. Yung mga coordinates niya. Bale yung kabila, point 2 na yan. x2 na to, tapos y2 na yan. And ngayon, we're ready to substitute. So let's write m, the slope, is equal to y sub 2 right here is 5. So 5 minus y sub 1, our y sub 1 is 1. So 1 divided by x sub 2 is 3 minus x sub 1, which is negative 2. So negative 2. Simplify natin. Slope is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 over, eto, negative times negative, magiging positive yan. So we'll have 3 plus 2. Tapos simplify pa natin. The slope m is equal to 4 over 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 4 over 5. And kapag meron na kayong slope, tapos yan naka-fraction, make sure nyo lang na naka-lowest term yan. And then, ang slope natin ay 4 over 5. So positive yan. At ang sabi natin kanina, kapag positive ang slope, m is equal to positive value, ang sabi natin, yung line ay going upwards from left to right. I-prove natin yan. Okay? So halimbawa, ito yung coordinate plane system natin. I-plot natin yung dalawang points. Una, ito, yung point 1. Negative 2, 1. So dito yan. Negative 2 and 1. Lagyan natin ng label, point 1. Next, yung second point, 3, 5. Lagyan natin ng label, point 2. Tapos ipag-connect natin yung dalawang points by a single straight line. So ito yung graph ng ating line. And makikita natin, going upwards talaga siya from left to right. So tama lang talaga na positive yung ating slope. Problem number 2. Determine the slope of the line passing through the points negative 5, 1 and 3, 1. First, ito yung ating formula. And then we have to assign points 1 and 2. Assuming na ito yung point 1, tapos ito yung point 2, we can say na x1 to, tapos y1. And then x2, y2. Ngayon, masasolve natin yung slope. So the slope m is equal to y sub 2, ito yun, 1, minus y sub 1 is 1, over x sub 2, which is 3, minus x sub 1, which is negative 5. One minus 1 here is equal to 0. Over, eto magiging 3 plus 5 yan. So 3 plus 5, so this is equal to 0 divided by 8. Pero alam natin na 0 divided by any value is still equal to 0. So we can say na ang slope ay 0. At anong sabi natin kapag 0 ang slope? Kapag 0 ang slope, ang sabi natin meron tayong horizontal line. Check natin kung horizontal line talaga yan. I-graph natin. So assuming na ito yung ating coordinate plane system, i-plot natin yung mga points. So assuming na ito yung ating coordinate plane system, i-plot natin yung dalawang points. Una yung point 1, negative 5, 1. Next, itong point 2, 3, 1. Lagyan natin ng label, point 1 and point 2. Tapos pag nag-connect tayo ng isang straight line passing through these 2 points, confirmed. Meron talaga tayong horizontal line. And this confirms na ang ating slope ay 0 talaga. Next, problem number 3. Determine the slope of the line passing through the points negative 6, 0, and 2, negative 4. Of course, that's our slope formula. And mag-assign tayo ng points 1 and 2. Assuming ito yung point 1, tapos ito na yung point 2. So this is x1 y1, while this is x2, y2. And now we can substitute. So the slope m is equal to y sub 2, which is negative 4, minus y sub 1, which is 0, divided by x sub 2, that is 2 right here, minus x sub 1, negative 6. Simplify natin. Yung sa taas, negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. Tapos sa baba, magiging plus yan. So it becomes 2 plus 6. And then this becomes negative 4 over 8 kasi 2 plus 6 sa baba is 8. Tapos reduce natin into lowest term. Divide natin 2 by 4. Pati itong baba, divide by 4. So we can definitely say na ang ating slope ay negative 1/2. This time, ang slope natin ay negative. Ang sabi natin kapag ang slope ay negative, ang graph natin or ang line natin ay going downwards from left to right. I-prove natin. Halimbawa, ayan na yung ating coordinate plane system. Tapos i-plot natin itong point na to. Point 1, negative 6, 0. Lagyan natin ng label. Point 1. Tapos yung isang point naman, 2, negative 4. Dito yan. 2, negative 4. Of course, label, point 2. Tapos draw tayo ng straight line passing through these 2 points. So, eto na yung graph ng ating straight line. And as we can see, going downwards talaga siya from left to right. So, confirm nga na negative yung ating slope. Let's try one more. Problem number 4. Determine the slope of the line passing through the points 4, 6, and 4, negative 1. Again, the slope formula. Tapos mag-a-assign tayo ng points 1 and 2. Assuming na ito yung point 1 natin, we will call this x1, y1. Tapos kung ito yung point 2, therefore x2, y2. And then we can substitute. So the slope m, y sub 2, which is equal to negative 1, minus y sub 1, that's 6, divided by x sub 2, ang x sub 2 natin ay 4, minus x sub 1, 4 din yan. So simplify pa natin. M is equal to negative 1 minus 6, that's negative 7, over 4 minus 4 is 0. Ngayon, ito, math error yan. Hindi ka pwede mag-divide by 0. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung slope natin ay undefined. Okay, linawin ko lang ha. Pag sinabi natin undefined, hindi ibig sabihin nun ay walang slope. Hindi siya zero slope, hindi rin siya walang slope. Undefined lang talaga siya. Error siya, kumbaga. Ang sabi natin kanina, vertical line ang mayroong slope na undefined. Kasi nga naman kung iisipin mo, sinusukat mo kung gaano katarik yung line. Kumbaga kung umaakit ka na bundok, laglag ka na doon. Pater na yun. Okay? Hindi na siya nakaslant. Vertical na siya. So ngayon, patunayan nga natin na meron talaga tayong vertical line. Alright? Ito yung ating coordinate plane system. Tapos, i-plot natin itong point 1. 4, 6. Next, i-plot natin to. Yung point 2. 4, negative 1. Dito yan. Okay, nakalimutan ko lang lagyan ng negative 1 dito. Huwag din kalimutan ang label. Point 1 ito. Tapos point 2 ito. And then, i-connect na natin via single straight line. So, from the looks of it, hindi man perfect yung aking drawing, pero vertical line yung ating graph. So, ibig sabihin, tama lang yung na-solve natin na slope na undefined.